called you here to apologize for what happened the other time.
Oh man, it's okay. It's okay. It's understandable. I mean, any mother would have done that, so I understand. Probably I should have done it in a better way, so I'm the one who's sorry.
Young guys of today, they are all the same. Anyway, it's somehow accepted. Tell me, what do you do for a living?
Me? I don't do anything. I just eat, sleep, walk around, hang out. I don't do anything.
Just that?
Just that. I don't do anything.
You see, then I want to employ you as my personal driver. Do you drive?
Yeah, I drive.
You do?
Yeah. Wow. That would be delightful. I mean, absolutely.
Good. Then get yourself prepared because you're starting work just next week.
Okay.
And the payment will be 2 million cedis a month.
2 million cedis? Oh, agreed. 2 million cedis? Oh, damn. You're going to pay me 2 million? I'm talking to you already.
So it's been agreed.
Yeah, I agree.
But on one condition.
What condition? Any condition. I mean, I don't mind. Anything. Any condition. Just say it.
Any condition?
Any condition. Whatever.
On condition that you will be my boyfriend. Just for today, you have to finish this food. Hey, Diamond. Make sure he finishes everything. Don't worry. I'll make sure he does. And in case he needs more, just draw my attention. I'll be at the kitchen.
Oh, why? You're not going to be with us?
I know. No. I want to leave the two of you so that you talk some sweet nonsense with my daughter. Okay, bon appetit.
Merci.
I love you.
I think Mama has changed. She's now taking it in.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
I love you more. Mom, you mean sleeping with your driver? Mom, how can you justify a thing like this? By sleeping with your driver? Can you imagine? And what is wrong with it? Everything, Mom. He's just a common driver. How can you belittle yourself to stoop so low by sleeping with that thing? That driver? Girl, nothing is wrong with it, right? Besides, he's a real good guy. Okay? I love him, just as you also love that your allergy. So keep your allergy and let me keep mine. I've got money. Lots and lots of money. How about this money? Brother Larry gave it to me. For what? He said he loves me and he wants to marry me and take care of my education. Isn't that great?
Diamond, have I told you I cannot look after you? Have I? Oh, you've started collecting money from people.
Brother Larry gave this to you and he was so happy over it.
For what? Diamond, be cautious of city men. Be cautious of city men. They will start giving you this for toffees and biscuits and whatnot, followed by lefty and then lanchi. You are happy over it. Come on, give me the money. Give me the money at once. Let's go. Where is he? Follow me. Hey, Larry! Come on, hurry. Hey, where is he? Larry! Where is he? Hey, Larry, or whatever you call yourself, stay out of my daughter's life, right? I don't want to see you with my daughter again, okay?
I don't understand.
You will not understand too. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Nonsense. Have I asked you to cater for her for me? Are you the one going to look after her at school? Fool.
Well, Mommy, Brother Larry is a nice young man. He has promised to marry me.
Will you shut up? What do you know about marriage? Disappointed. Don't be, because I'm not going to leave him. Oh God. Disgust me. Oh, put the meat here. I am fine.
I should be calling you father, right? How dare you take advantage of my mother? How dare you?
It's not what you think.
Oh, you shut up that ugly mouth of yours. Do you know what I'm thinking? I called you red-handed making love to my mother and you're here telling me it's not what I think. Are you insane? Look, let this be the very first and last time I ever catch you with my mother. Or she wouldn't live to tell your story. You understand? Gigolo. Why would a handsome young man like you allow yourself to be misused? Why are you even going out with a lady that is capable of being your mother?
It's not like that. I mean, I try to resist her, except it's not easy. It's just not easy.
So you decided to get a taste of her, right?
Not really.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Men, they always don't have girlfriends.
It's not like that.
You're handsome. I think I like you.
We are prepared.
So don't you know how to greet? Huh?
Hold down.
It's up to her. She only knows why she's behaving like that. I don't know.
Do you want me to leave?
Leave? Absolutely no. I own this place. She doesn't.
But like family,
Take it easy. Are you scared or something like that?
Oh well.
Take it easy, my baby.
Okay, so where were we?
Larry, what kind of games are you playing with us? You're sleeping with me and at the same time screwing my mother. I thought you promised to stop the relationship with my mother, didn't you?
I know I said that. Diamond, you don't understand. Every time I try to avoid your mother, she uses my job to blackmail me. And you know it's not easy getting a job nowadays. That's why.
So, are you promising me that if I was to get you another job, you would quit the relationship with my mother?
Definitely. Sure thing.
Then, when she gets back, I want you to immediately tell her that you're quitting her job and you don't want to work with her anymore.
But what if she asks me like, why do I want to leave? What do I say?
Must you give her a reason for everything? You have your own life and you can choose whatever you want to do with it.
Well, on second thought, yeah. You're right. I don't need to give her a reason. Yeah. You're right.
You know, I've always been right.
No, I don't understand what you're saying. I mean, you were desperately in need of this job, and why do you now want to quit?
I'm sure you're aware the way your daughter attacks me everywhere. From the garage to the kitchen, just basically everywhere. I can't handle it anymore. I'm fed up.
Okay. If my daughter is the problem, you leave that to me. I can handle her, right? Because you don't have to go.
I'm sorry. But my mind is made up. And I want to leave. My mind is made up. Not even you can change it. I want to leave and I will leave. I'm sorry.
Are you serious? Larry?
We are Papa Swasa. Why are Bonnie Amosia? Our fan now, Otano, Otanunarapa.
Good weather. So that was your plan, right? How dare you snatch away my man from me? How dare you?
Larry is not your man. He's young enough to be your son.
Nonsense! Tell that to Alaji, because he's also old enough to be your father. Yet he refuses to both day and night.
Larry's not in love with you anyway, so there's nothing you can do about it.
Oh, I cannot do anything about it. That's what you think. You think I can't do anything about it, eh?
What on earth can you do? Throw me out or tell Alaji? He won't even believe you.
Oh, I will do both. I will do both. Because you are as promiscuous as a whore. A real whore.
I inherited it from you. Like mother, like daughter. Foolish girl.
Foolish girl. Shawo. Shawo kekele. Jamanya safo. Stupid fool.
Yes, to be Mashanya Miani Monyam. Sawa Chatuano, and one now Benam Swa. We are Bonia Osia, we are Papa Swasa. Why are Bonia Mosia? I found now Otano, Otanunarapa.
I met Larry first.
You decided to rub shoulders with me, eh? Any man I go in for, you also come there. I went in for Alaji, you went there. I went for Larry too, now you are there. What is wrong with you? I
met Larry first, mother. You know
nonsense.
Don't tell me that you saw I met Larry first. I saw that you persuaded me into leaving him alone. I'm not going to do that for the second time. So you better go look for your old man, okay?
Are you sick or something?
Do I look sick to you?
Don't you know?
But you can't compete with me. Mother, you can't compete with this beautiful body, can you?
And you what? I saw night and I don't want son and this sunny. That's a short one son. Na kabeji I would be a sunny ama share.
Look, lady, I advise you to go and look for your old man, okay? And leave Larry alone. Just leave him alone.
I should stay away from Larry.
Yes.
What put down? Now they say what you need. Baby, I'm going to go to one hour. You want a rubber? It's your need.
Leave Larry alone. Leave Larry alone.
So are you going to slap me or what? Are you going to slap me or what? Huh? A whore like you, any man I go in for, she will be there for that person. What is the meaning of nonsense?
Sweetheart.
Oh, honey. Welcome.
Thank you. What is happening? What's happening to your mom?
Just forget about her, you know, she's in one of those mood swings.
I see. Your mom, this problem of hers, I don't know. I think it's menopause. I think she's in a menopause. She's growing old, yes?
Just forget about her, let's go.
A friend of mine calls it menopausal syndrome. Don't mind it, let's go.
Let's get out of this crazy house.